In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva t-shirt design templates. If you've ever wanted to express your creativity through custom-made t-shirts using an easy and accessible platform, then you're in the right place. Canva offers a wide range of templates and tools to help bring your design ideas to life without any hassle. To get started first, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. Once there, you'll notice a search bar conveniently located at the top of the homepage. Click on it and type in the phrase t-shirt design. This step will direct you to a wide array of design templates specifically made for t-shirts. These templates are pre-made and fully customizable, allowing you to kickstart your design process in no time. Next, you'll be greeted with a selection of free templates that Canva offers. Take your time to scroll through the various options available. There's no rush, as choosing the right starting point is crucial for your design. Once you've found a template that appeals to you, hover over it with your cursor. You'll see an option that prompts you to select it. Click it to move forward. After selecting a template, you're now set to personalize it by opting to customize it further. There should be a prominent button labeled "Customize this template." Give that a click and let your imagination take the reins. This action will open a new window where you can fully dive into personalizing design elements to match your ideas. Here you can change almost everything about the design. Want to tweak the color scheme, adjust fonts, or even replace images? Feel free to do so. Canva's user-friendly interface allows you to simply click on elements to modify them, making it an intuitive experience even for first-time users. Add text, graphics, or logos to make your t-shirt truly one of a kind. Don't hesitate to dive into Canva's extensive library of additional features and elements if you want more variety in your design. Finally, once you've finished customizing your t-shirt design to perfection, you can easily save your work. Just hit the download or save option and you're good to go. Remember, Canva offers a range of download formats, so make sure to choose the one that best suits your printing needs. And there you have it. Using Canva's t-shirt design templates can be this straightforward and enjoyable. By following these steps, you can create designs that not only reflect your personal style, but also make a statement. So why not give it a try today and see what amazing designs you can create? Thanks for watching, and happy designing.